Austere concrete walls form almost labyrinthine paths, with hidden gardens tucked along the way. In this house in Melbourne, Australia, designed by local studio FGR Architects. Named Courtyard Residence, after the large central garden with a pool, the house has a low profile and features a carefully composed sequence of interconnected spaces. Inspired by the classic Mediterranean model of a central courtyard, the residence emphasizes external privacy and rich internal experience. The Courtyard Residence resembles a rectangular origami of concrete and glass. Its discreet street-facing facade, with layered volumes, sparks curiosity and surprise. Tall, monolithic concrete walls form a narrow entrance path at the front of the house, beside a ramp that leads to the underground garage. At the front of the house, there's a quiet sitting area with a large window overlooking the street. The layout was conceived as a layering of spaces, creating a transition zone between the street and the calm, minimalist interiors. Along this journey, moments of stillness and vibrancy alternate naturally. The long, narrow floor plan centers around an open living, dining, and kitchen area, flanked by 5 bedrooms. The exposed concrete used in the structure is polished both inside and out, remaining visible along much of the interior walls to reinforce a sense of continuity. This raw finish is balanced by wooden panels and generous built-in wooden cabinetry in the living spaces, along with a marble island in the kitchen. While the view from the street is more reserved, the interiors unfold poetically with warm, inviting materials. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors allow the central living area to open completely to the courtyard, where a stone terrace and an outdoor kitchen sit beneath a large concrete canopy. Water as a source of life is the focal point of the courtyard, transformed into an oasis. Reflections and wonder contrast with the monumental energy of matte and polished concrete. The texture of the neutral surfaces celebrates a raw sophistication, enhanced by the ever-changing play of light, shadow, and reflection. The main spaces revolve around the courtyard, but they can work either fully open or as independent rooms. Offering a sense of calm, with plenty of space for livelier or more playful moments, the Courtyard Residence presents an inspired and flexible way of living for family life.